Okay, I'm unpacking the drone. It's never been flown yet, but it has been out of the box. To do this, first of all, this is the camera that fits onto the bottom of the drone, and on the side of it, if you can see, there's a slot just there, a little slot on the side of the camera where I inserted an SD card, and there's nothing behind that slot. There's no SD card reader, and as you can tell, when I put the then it just fell inside, and if I rattle it, you can hear it rattling away inside. So I don't know where the SD card's inside there somewhere, but there's no reader, just a slot. Secondly, we've got this instructions, and it says this QR code will download the app for me. Okay, so if I scan this QR code, it takes me to little messages. Every time I scan it, it installs a different app. The last time I tried to install it, it installed Google My Business.